everyone, welcome to another Simon Says Stamp video. Today I'm going to be making a really simple card using only, I guess, basically 3 or 4 supplies. The first main supply is this 6x6 pad from Jelly Bean Soup. This is the Sweet and Sour Soup 6x6 mini pad. I'm also going to use some white Nina cardstock. This is going to be the card base, and it is cut to 5.5 by 4.25 when it's folded. And then just some adhesive. That's all I'm going to be using. So sort of a challenge to myself to see what I can do with just the paper and adhesive. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out 2 sheets of pattern paper, and luckily this 6x6 pad has some letters in it, which is great when you want to do a card using only paper because you can create your sentiment using those letters. So I'm actually going to have it say thank you, and I'm going to have the thank out of this paper and the U out of this one. So I'm going to go ahead and cut those pieces out. Okay, so I've cut out the letters for the sentiment. I have this strip of pattern paper. It's about 1.25 tall, maybe just a little bit more than that. And then I took the striped paper and I cut it at a diagonal. So it actually, you know, I had to cut off all the corners and whatever. So it's great for leaving for scraps for punching out little areas. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to adhere it straight down to the card like this. I want it to be even on those 3 sides and then more on this side. So I'll just use some Xyron adhesive for that. Alright, I'm going to get this area ready. And I noticed that these, like the spacing was going to be a little bit off. So on the letters, in fact I think they all do, have a little extra room on each side. I'm just going to cut that off. And now I'm going to take dimensional adhesive, and I'm going to take dimensional adhesive and put some on the back of each of the letters. And I'm going to be putting them on this strip of pattern paper. I'm going to put more near the top because I'm going to have these other ones down below kind of overlap. Okay, and just to add a little bit of interest on this end, I'm going to tear it. Alright, and then this is going to go right on the card like that. I'm going to go ahead and put adhesive on the back. This probably would have been smarter to put adhere that first, but I didn't know how long I needed it until I had the other stuff adhered. Alright, and then I'll just put some dimensional adhesive on the back of these little pieces. Alright, I'm going to use an American Crafts stamp marker in the color Chestnut. And I'm just going to go around the diagonal striped pattern paper and add some dashed lines. Okay, it feels to me like this area up here needs to be broken up just a little bit. So I'm going to take another pattern paper and just do a band. Alright, and it's just going to go right up there, and I'll tear it off on the side. And there we go. There's a really simple, just pattern paper and adhesive. Did add a marker just for a little bit of detail, but other than that, super simple card. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.